Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Dress to Impress. These are just the basics on how to play it. So if you're a pro, do not watch this video because you're going to be like, oh, but I know. Yes, but this is for new models, new players. So you're just going to go here first and just join a free play mode so that you can kind of experiment before you start doing runways. So first things first, here is where you can change your skin color. These are the tanning beds. It says skin tones at the top here. Press E, and as you can see, you can change your skin tone here. You can also add vitiligo to your skin if you'd like to, like this. And this is where you can get your nails done with Lana. This, for me, is the least important. So we're going to skip over to makeup. This is how I like to do my outfit. So I like to do my makeup first. So if you don't have custom makeup, you're just going to choose the ones here. But if you have custom makeup, you can put on a face and then you can save it here. And then you can apply it later. Like so. I'm going to change the color of her lips. Then for the hair, there's a lot of options you can choose from. Again, just select the one that you would like to use. You can use bangs as well. Here are the bangs if you'd like to, like that. And then there's the nails. To put on an outfit, you're just going to select it like this. And you're just going to be able to change the color and materials by selecting. Let me use like a simpler outfit for this. Okay, so to change the color, select the shirt. And then here you can change the color using wheel or palette, or you can even add in patterns to your shirt as well. And you can change the materials by pressing the plus button. There's default matte, glitter, rainbow glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna just show it to you with like the colors here. Matte, glitter, rainbow glitter, denim, silk, light silk, metallic, neon, and foil. And that's for the materials and patterns and stuff. You can favorite patterns as well here. And you're just going to layer outfits. And then here is the changing rooms. Also, to remove outfits, like items, select this icon here, the yellow one, and just press X to remove. Here is where you can add, find items from codes, rewards and stuff. Here are the rewards one, codes, and the items that you have purchased. But if you want to purchase a new item, you have to go like here, select this icon, and then you can purchase items. Some of them, well, most of them, you just need the like pink or like gold money here, like over there. But some of them you need Robux, like for instance these ones, Robux items. To collect money, you're just going to go and walk around and just collect money. And that is it. To pose, you're just going to select this pink one and you're going to select a pose that you want to add. They also have some other accessories here, pants, and stuff like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.